Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Podio. Is Podio a database? I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, and I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So, let's get started. What is Podio? Podio is a cloud-based software platform that allows you to manage your work, projects, and tasks. It's a very versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, customer relationship management, CRM, knowledge management, content management, and much more. Is Podio a database? No, Podio is not a database. It is a database management system, DBMS. A DBMS is a software system that allows you to store and manage data in a database. Podio uses a relational database management system, RDBMS, which is a type of database that stores data in tables. How Podio works. Podio works by storing your data in tables. Each table has a number of columns, which are used to store different types of data. For example, you might have a table that stores customer data. The columns in this table might include customer name, customer address, and customer phone number. You can use Podio to create different types of tables, such as lists, spaces, workflows, forms, and more. Each type of table has its own set of features and capabilities. For example, lists are used to store lists of items, such as tasks or contacts. Spaces are used to organize your work into different areas, such as projects or departments. Workflows are used to automate tasks and processes. Forms are used to collect data from users. What are the benefits of using Podio? There are many benefits to using Podio. Here are a few of the most important. Versatility. Podio can be used for a variety of purposes, so it's a great tool for businesses of all sizes. Flexibility. Podio is a very flexible platform, so you can customize it to meet your specific needs. Collaboration. Podio allows you to collaborate with other users on your projects and tasks. Automation. Podio can be used to automate a variety of tasks, which can save you time and effort. How to get started with Podio. If you're interested in learning more about Podio, you can sign up for a free trial. Podio also offers a number of resources to help you get started, such as tutorials, webinars, and blog posts. So, is Podio a database? No, it's a database management system, but it's a very powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. I hope this video has helped you to understand more about Podio. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business and technology. Thanks for watching.